just about supporting our party, our movement, or me. It's about rising above your political differences, your ideological differences, and coming together and stand with the students of this country.
A lot of cooperative, if I may say, were complaining against the opposition and many political parties because they were expecting a lot of them to come in support of them. So, name any few political leaders that you would wish who come and support this movement.
I would wish all political parties and all political leaders, if they can put aside their political differences, if they can put aside their ideologies, and if they are ready to flag area, flag if they can come together for the students of this country, there could be nothing better than that. This is the time to come together. This is the time to build a politics that will actually mean something to the youth of this country.
So now I'm going to raise two concerns that have been all across Twitter, and especially amongst the critics who have been quite critical of the Cockroach Janata Party. First is that many say that this movement is not as focused as it should be. Primarily because this movement is about me, and there is a lot of sloganeering about a lot of things but me. This is what the critics say. So what do you have to say on that?
I think the one constant slogan here has been Dharmendra Pradhan Istifa. From morning to evening till midnight, there is one slogan that we are using, Dharmendra Pradhan Istifa. So I don't know how this is, away from the real core issue.
And there's another very significant concern that people have raised is about the involvement of ASAP. It is said that it's a student wing of the Aam Aadmi Party, and we also see a lot of times that their workers are on this protest side. So how do you see that?
Is it just AACP? No, it's not. All of the student unions of Delhi have come here, and they are standing shoulder to shoulder with us. It's not just one student wing. I don't know why one student wing is being pointed out when there is all student wings. Students from JNU are here, students from DU are here. This is students from Meerut came here. So please, I have a request. Don't try to distract or derail the movement just because people from different ideologies or different organizations are coming. I think that it's time we all should keep our differences aside and we should stand together with the students.
So it's day 4 of the protest. What is the appeal that you would like to give to the viewers of this?
Everybody who's watching this video, I would like to request you all to please come to Jantar Mantar today and to please seek justice for the students who have committed suicide. If we don't seek the resignation of Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, then we can't expect anything to get better in a democracy. Because in democracy, the thing that matters the most, more than election, what matters is accountability from the people whom we elect. It's very necessary to make them accountable. If we can't make them accountable, then we are not a democracy.
Thank you very much for speaking.
Which was the camera.